What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you what you need to do in case your Xiaomi phone won't connect to Wi-Fi. Let's go. The first thing you're gonna do, let's go ahead and open the settings on your Xiaomi phone. Then let's go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi. Scroll all the way down until you see the setting. Forget network. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then let's go ahead and click on OK. Now restart your phone. Press the power button, then click on restart or reboot. Let's wait until the phone turns back on to show you what you need to do. Okay, unlock your phone. So now let's go ahead and open the settings one more time. Then let's go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Choose your network. Type in the password. In this case, I'm gonna just type in my password. Then let's go ahead and click on connect. And your phone Wi-Fi should be working fine now. But let's say you still got the same problem because I just show you the simple solution ever. So what you're gonna do, let's go ahead and go to the main page. Now we're gonna force restart the phone. So that will fix any issue, any wireless connection on your phone. To do that's really easy guys. What you're gonna do, you're gonna press and hold down volume up and the power button at the same time until your phone turns off. One more time, you're gonna press and hold down volume up, power button at the same time until your phone turns off. So let's do it. If that doesn't work, I will show you what you have to do, but let's try this first. Power button, volume up at the same time. It will take like 10 to 15 seconds for your phone to turn off. As you can see, it's off. Now release both buttons. You will see this menu on your phone screen. Just make sure the reboot action is selected, okay? Then just press the power button. Then press the power button one more time. Your phone is gonna turn off and it's gonna turn it back on automatically. Let's wait until the phone turns on to show you what else you need to do. Okay, once your phone is on, unlock your phone. Now just bring the control panel down, all the way down, then turn on the airplane mode. Turn it on, just leave it on like that for a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and after that, turn it off. And that also is another solution to fix any Wi-Fi issue on Xiaomi phone. Just to make sure your phone Wi-Fi is working now, let's go ahead and open the settings, click on Wi-Fi. Then let's see if now your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. If it is still not connected, just turn off the Wi-Fi setting and turn it back on. So that will restart the connection and your phone maybe now is, gonna be working perfectly on Wi-Fi network. But let's say you still got the same problem. So there's another solution that you can do on your phone to fix it. Okay, so what you're gonna do, let's go ahead and click on settings. Then on the search bar on the tab, let's search for reset. Don't worry guys, we are not gonna lose any data. We are not gonna reset the phone. So just click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and click on that setting. As you can see on the tab, it says reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. As soon as you press reset settings, the Wi-Fi connection, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be factory reset. Before you reset the wireless connection on your phone, you need to know this. As soon as you press this setting right here, reset settings, the Wi-Fi setting, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be factory reset. So basically, you will have to reconnect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. You also will have to reconnect all your Bluetooth devices to your phone because all these category, Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be factory reset. You know what I mean? But that's the main solution, guys, to fix any wireless connection on your phone. That being said, let's go ahead and click on reset settings. You will have to type in your screen password. In this case, I'm gonna type mine. Then click on next. Then click on OK. Just wait a few seconds. It will take, you see, as soon as you see this setting right here, network has been reset, so everything is good to go now. Before you reconnect your phone to Wi-Fi, restart your phone first. So I recommend you to restart the phone. That way it will be better, start a good connection from zero. So let's wait until the phone turns back on to show you what else you need to do. Open the settings. Let's go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi, just wait a few seconds. Just choose your Wi-Fi. And you will have to type in the password. In this case, I'm gonna type my password and connect. And your phone should be good to go. Please let me know on the comment section if you still got the same problem. So I'm gonna make sure to make the second part of this video showing you different solutions to fix any Wi-Fi issue on any iPhone basically, okay? Just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.